Welcome to Nusa Penida.
Hey guys.
Hello everyone. I'm a bit ill. You probably can hear it. I've been bugged up for the last few days.
Blimey, haven't I heard about it with a tissue? I've been a tissue boy for 3 days.
That's going to become the sponsor of this channel. toiletroll.com. Seriously. No, yeah, we had to take a couple of days off. We was meant to be doing a few things, but we didn't in the end because I was literally in bed for the whole day. I was so bad. What we've done, we decided to go to Nusa Penida. If you guys don't know where it is, I'll put it on the map here somewhere. Yeah. Down there actually. It's a little island off the coast of Bali. It's a less crowded island. So we travelled from Ubud. We got our little scooter at 5 o'clock this morning. Travelled all the way down south to Sanur. And we caught a ferry there through the company that I will link because they were really good one.
They were really good.
Maruti. They were called Maruti. And we paid for the both of us 700,000 rupiahs. Yeah. And so that was 350,000 rupiahs each, which is really good because if you look through other companies, they will charge you between 1 and 2 million depending on the service that you get. So that was really good.
So the crossing was very bumpy, but we managed to get here.
It does get a bit choppy.
Yeah. Like
the swells are amazing, like mountains.
Yeah, they were.
But yeah, no, I mean, you hear of a few horror stories, but you know, it's like anything, guys. So take your chance. It's cheap, and to be fair, Nusa Penida, it's got to be done. It has to be done, guys. So.
It has to be done on your bucket list, I would say.
Then we made our way to our Airbnb, which I will link down below. And don't forget, guys, you can get a £25 discount off your first Airbnb if you use the code that is down in our description,
guys.
And
that does help us out a little bit with our travels as well.
Yeah, so make sure you click on there. Helps you out. Help us out. So, a little tip on the roads, guys. Roads are pretty much non-existent here on Nusa Penida. If there are roads, you're okay. And then all of a sudden it stops and you're just left with mud, grit, and it's like...
Yeah, it's proper bumpy.
Literally.
Proper bumpy. Make sure you hold tight onto the motorway.
Nathan had to hop off the scooter a few times because I thought we were going to crash.
Yeah.
But eventually we made it. We got to this hotel. Again, I'll put some of the videos of the surroundings. It's absolutely stunning for the price. We only paid £30 for the night, which is really good for Nusa Penida because obviously being far away from the coast, it's more expensive. So really nice hotel, only for £30.
And what Seb didn't mention is we did get lost. And the locals around here are ever so friendly. Yeah. They're more than welcome to show you to the actual villa or hotel. Yeah.
They actually follow us.
Yeah.
They're not even going there at all, but they're just showing you the way, and then they go back to what they were doing originally. Anyway, guys, without any further ado, we're going to now head out to explore the whole island
and take you guys with us.
So guys, we made it in one piece.
I know, after all that trek,
Just, literally. It was, oh, hang on, scooter. It was a bit of a trek though. We probably died about 975 times. Not word of a lie. One, the brakes don't work.
Yeah, they don't stop.
Which is not really handy when you go down like steep, about, I don't know, about 95 degrees. And yeah, but we still made it. We just parked the scooter and we're gonna walk down to Diamond Beach now. It should be absolutely amazing. We
already looks stunning. Yeah. It already looks amazing.
Those shades of blue are unbelievable.
So we're quite spoiled for choice. On the left we have Atu Beach.
It's gorgeous as well.
It's absolutely stunning. Look at that sea. And on the right we have Diamond Beach.
Which one do we start with?
I believe Diamond Beach is our first go-to.
Yeah, we'll probably start Diamond Beach. It's really windy, guys, so I really don't know whether you can hear us properly or not. But, right, so we're going to head down now to this beautiful, absolutely stunning beach, Diamond Beach. What is it with Bali and giant steps? Like, I don't know if you guys can see.
They must be very tall, but we haven't seen
but
any
they're not,
tall
that's
people.
the problem, they're not.
So guys, we're now at Atu Beach. It's absolutely amazing. The water's bluer than blue. I've never seen any water that blue before, to be honest.
No, we're quite used to the Thai beaches, which are more like emerald green. But these blue is just out this way. It's like a milky sort of colour.
I did. The current took me out and I hit my leg against a massive rock.
Literally, there's about 2 drops of blood there.
There is, but you know, you gotta be prepared for these things.
Dr. Nathan.
Even though Seb said, why are we taking a first aid kit with us? Well, that's the reason why.
Right, so on this beach they do cater for tourists, quite a lot actually. They got sun lounges, they got little shacks with food. Unfortunately, food-wise, the place
weren't much
no.
to choose from.
So Nathan went for, what did you want first?
Wanted the chicken nuggets with chips.
Yeah, chicken nuggets. Sorry, out of stock. We haven't got any.
Yeah. Then I wanted something else out of stock. Then I wanted something else.
And then we asked him like, so what have you got? So he shows us everything that he's got, and then we asked for something else. And no, sorry, not got. I'm like, bloody hell. So either take some food with you guys, or just be prepared to eat like a bag of crisps or something. Apart from that though, stunning beach. Absolutely amazing. The colours, like, yeah, you can ask more for a beach really. So now we're just gonna make our way back up now, dreading this bit because there's a lot of stairs.
Giant
and
stairs.
We're gonna go to its little sister beach, which is the Diamond Beach. That's the way back up, Nathan.
Delightful. They could install a lift. Jesus Christ, this is hard work.
Look at the size of the steps, guys.
Look at that, the step.
Morning. So you're probably wondering why it's morning, and last you saw of us we were on the beach, so we probably overstayed a bit on that beach, to be honest.
We stayed longer than we expected to.
We were going to only stay there for about half an hour, but we actually ended up staying there a couple of hours. And when we got back it was a bit too dark to film the sunset. I was shattered. I was so bunged up that I kept falling asleep on the seat. I think I've got malaria or something like that. It's so bad. Hopefully not, no. But it's a new day. Still got a headache, but I've got plenty of pills with me. And now we're going to head up to Kingling Beach. So next time you complain about the roads in the UK, guys, watch this. So here we are, guys.
We have made it. We made it for all the potholes.
It was definitely worth it. A million times over, guys.
The view is amazing.
Absolutely breathtaking. I mean, you can see it. We'll probably put a bit of raw on there. It's absolutely amazing. I'm gobsmacked. I can't say it enough. It's beautiful.
After seeing all the videos online and watching, you go, oh yeah, does it though? Are they hyping it up? But actually, when you
it looks surreal.
It's absolutely.
That's the first thing I said to Nathan. I said it looks fake. It looks like a big special effects sort of thing.
Because he said to me when we arrived, he was like, Nathan, what is that? I was like, what? And he was like, it's a dinosaur. I was like, oh, okay, what kind of dinosaur, Nathan? I was like, obviously a T-Rex.
It does, yeah. It looks like a dinosaur head. That's what it's famous for. So now we're going to head out to Broken Beach. It's going to take about an hour. Dilemma is, it's 7 o'clock now. We're meant to check out at 12 and the ferry leaves us 3. So we'll see how much we can cram into our plan.
Yeah, see how much we can get done today.
But yeah, we might have to head to the hotel. I don't know. We'll see. So as you can see behind me is Broken Beach, but let me tell you, it wears its name extremely well. Broken Beach equals broken road, and we thought the road was bad to Kingling Beach, but oh my god, Nathan was off the scooter more than was actually on. It's that bad. We're actually late for the checkout at the hotel, so we had to pretend that we had a puncture or something because we're about an hour and a half late now. So we're gonna head back to the hotel, hand the keys back, apologise that there's no tomorrow, and then head back to the harbour. But I'll leave you with some drone footage of this place, guys. Unbelievable.
Today's a bit of a sad day today. We're
Yeah.
literally the last vlog in Bali. You having fun, Seb?
Yeah.